Hey guys, today I'm going to be feeding the birds, as you can see, right there. Yeah, so, the reason why I have a rash, I don't know if you can see it, I have a rash here, it's because, right here, it's because I have sensitive skin, I guess. So, let's get to it. So we're going to take one spoon of it. If you have a lot of budgies, you have to put a lot. Because if you have a lot, because a lot of birds, if it's a lot, they can finish it. Sorry, I spilled it. They can finish it really fast, so. I'm sorry. There's a bird right here. He flew right here. He landed. Another bird landed on my camera. Dude, another bird landed on my camera. I know you didn't see it, but the white one just landed on my camera and now he flew back. Well, he looks so funny. He's so cute. Hey, little budgie. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, another one landed on the food. Now he's. See, I was playing PS4, but. Oh, I haven't done a video of it, but they laid more eggs. Yep. Okay, you guys are done? Alright, let me continue the video. I never seen this in the parakeet food. I found this green giant thingy. I don't know what it is. Probably it's part of the food. Let's see if I can find any more. Alright, comment down below. I'm confused. Is it part of the food or is it just poop? Comment down below. I'm confused. Alright, let's continue the video. So you have to get 2 scoops of the seeds. Yep. Okay, I gotta hurry this video because my phone is dying. The battery's low. Well, I'm not doing the water one in this video. I'm not giving them water because they already have water. They have clean water still. Alright. Ouch. Looks like a bathtub. Oh. Almost dropped the seeds. I would have made a big mess. He's so cute. If you have no idea which one is the mother, this one is the father, and the blue one you just saw earlier, the blue one is the mother. The blue one that landed on the bed, and you saw the food. So yeah. All right, just let me continue with my video. All right, so. All right. Put it in the middle. If you have a cage like this, you have to put it in the middle because sometimes you'll make a mess and drop stuff. So, just put it in the middle. Oh yeah, millets they're not healthy because it's like treats, like bird treats. So, if you didn't know that, and you're getting a millet, you get to know this. You can't feed them like those things every day. It's like a dessert to them. It's like It's like a bird, like acts like a human, and thinks that cupcakes are healthy to them. It's like you're giving them cupcakes. So, yeah. Alright, guys. That's it. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Bye-bye.